Hello everybody, Amazon affiliate marketing on Instagram step by step. How you can do that? Pay attention. The first option, you need to update your app. Okay, open your app store and update your Instagram. When you are finished, open your Instagram. Now, what do you need for this? You need have your professional dashboard. Okay, this is a professional account with insights. Now, how you can change your personal profile to professional profile? In edit profile, okay, make your scroll, and in the last option you can see or watch your option that say change to professional profile. When you are finished, you have your professional dashboard here. Touch here, and in your tools you can watch your Amazon affiliate program. Why I don't have this option? Because this option, this program only is released in Amazon and in USA and UK. Okay, for the moment. Maybe in this month in 2 countries. Now, if you live in USA, touch here and link your Amazon account. It's too easy. Open your Amazon account, and that is all. Okay, when you are finished, now when you have your Amazon affiliate program in your Instagram. Now, how you can make your money, how you can add your product. Okay, when you make a post, okay, when you post your reel or your photo, you can watch in the options Amazon affiliate program, and you can watch add or tag your product. Okay, example, if you want post one reel about your new table or PC, and you buy this in your Amazon, okay, you can add your link, okay, your affiliate link, and when somebody buy while your link, you get a commission. I don't know how to say in Spanish, but in English, but a little percent. Okay, and this is all. It's too easy and really easy. This is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English, and have a good day. See you later.